This is Jason from Build Game. Learn to code through game dev.
Parallax scrolling in game closure, part 7. So we left off calling the create view layer function from parallax views. So let's do a quick test and see what that gives us. No error. And there we have our view that we added right here. So what we can do now, since that's all working, is we can move on to explaining what we're going to do. So this is the 0 point right there, what I just drew. That's the 0 point of this this layer that I have added. And now I'm going to create an image pool that's going to make a lot of children for this layer that represents here. And these children are all going to be lined up down here as like so. So we'll start at 256 and then we'll move it by width over and over again, the width of the image, and it'll go across the screen like so. If that makes sense, I'm trying to explain it my best. So we will add some more things. We'll just flesh out this BG pool class with an init function first of all. We'll add the inherited options from the superclass, and then we will create an array called myImages that I will push and pop things out of. Not pop, but this will help me keep track of the things that are in this image pool. It'll become clear a little later. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the new view pool object, and so that we have that. These have something called a CTOR, which is just means constructor. So it's going to construct from the image object class that I already defined earlier. And then there's a few more options here. And for these init options, I only care about having it parent to this object. So that should be good. So let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so it looks good.